I decided that I wanted to level up my drinking game. So I got this infusion kit because it brings everything that you need to start making like your own flavored, whether it's whiskey, vodka. It comes with this little leaflet with some recipes, and then you're going to get all of these samples for infusions. So you can see lavender, orange, rosemary, roselle. It's going to be 16 different samples for you to try them out. It also comes with 2 of these bottles so that you can store it, and then also 1 whiskey cup. And of course, all of the little tools that you're going to need. So we're going to prepare one. Here I separated all of the flavors that I'm going to use. It's going to be a very complicated one, so I really hope that this is going to work out. And then I'm just going to cover it, and you can mix it a little bit. So after doing this, I'm going to put this away in a dark space and leave it there for 5 to 7 days and gently mixing it every other day so that the whiskey can take on the flavors. This is amazing because you can not only drink this as it comes pure, but you can also add it to your cocktails or things that you like to mix in. It's fantastic, and it's going to give you a very unique set of drinks. So I really recommend this for you. I am so excited to try this already.